Hi everyone, here's the list of ingredients to our lemon butter salmon. We're going to start off by adding salt to our salmon fillets. You want to make sure to get both sides. We're going to add some freshly cracked black pepper, and we're going to coat them in some flour. You want to shake off any excess flour that's left on your fillets. Just give it a nice shake. In a preheated cast iron skillet, we're going to add a tablespoon of canola oil, and we're going to add our salmon fillets with the skin side up. After about 5 minutes, you're going to flip and you're going to see it has a nice golden brown color, and it has a natural built-in thermometer that kind of tells you up to where it has cooked already. You want to flip it on all sides and get that nice golden brown. These are the ingredients for our lemon butter garlic sauce. You want to remove the fillets after they're nice and golden brown on all sides. In a saucepan, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter, our crushed garlic. You want to make sure to have this at a very low temperature because the garlic will burn very quickly. You want to add the garlic, the salt, the juice of 1 lemon. Make sure to not get any seeds in there. We're going to add in some freshly cracked black pepper, a tablespoon of white wine, a tablespoon of whole milk. We're going to add about a tablespoon of fresh parsley. Give that a nice stir, and we're going to let this reduce slowly. You want to give it a taste test and see if you need to add some more seasoning. I wanted to add a little bit more salt to mine to give it that yummy salty flavor. We're going to add the remaining tablespoon of butter. Let it simmer and reduce, and your sauce is ready to go. You want to pour that right over our delicious salmon fillet, and that is ready to be devoured. Enjoy!